because none of the tribal languages, or you can say indigenous languages, have been implemented in education or in court of law or in market or in government offices. That is why most of the tribal languages are now have been enlisted in endangered languages. Once around 7,000 plus languages were existing in this world, but now those languages have been reduced to around 4,000 or below. Why? Because most of the tribal languages have not been promoted, or no such schemes have been adopted by any of the government to preserve these languages, resulting which present day world is losing its history of evolution of mankind, because most of the tribal languages, its culture, its oral traditions are the carrier of history of mankind. Unless you know the history of mankind, the history of evolution, we cannot find out actual fact, actual problems, and we cannot actually speak about the solutions. Anyway, what I found in India, Indian Constitution till 56 years of its independence, not a single tribal language allowed to enter in the Constitution of India. That means, besides poverty, that disrespect to the tribal community is one of the major problems. Since none of the Indians, particularly the Indians belonging to so-called advanced languages, are aware of the languages of other communities, particularly the tribal communities. Since they do not know the tribal languages, and government did not adopted any such schemes to create the scope to learn tribal languages by other communities. So there is a misunderstanding, because if you do not know my mother tongue, you may not respect me, and if I do not know your mother tongue, I may not respect your mother tongue. So due to ignorance, this indifference attitude is being created. That is why we found till 2003 not a single tribal language included in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. But we, the Santal people, under the leadership of Sadhram Chand Murmu, the great Santal poet, and Pandit Raghunath Murmu, the great Santal scholar, we actually started struggle for equal rights, because Indian Constitution have given us that right as a fundamental right. Every citizen has right to enjoy equal right. But tribal communities have not been given that opportunity. That is why most of the population belonging to tribal communities are living below the poverty line.